Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about create stunning AI music from text prompts with TAD AI. Right here, I'm currently inside the TAD AI interface or website. Before we get started for this one, as best practice, let's talk about the price. Now for this one, I'm using the free trial because I want to really use this one as a beginner. So these are the prices, these are the yearly, and these are the monthly. Now let's go back on the dashboard. Perfect. Now what is basically TAD AI? So TAD AI basically helps you generate your songs for free. With this one, you can create custom music in minutes. There is gonna be no copyright issues for this one. And of course, there are so much moods and genres to explore. Now I'm gonna create this one using my Zomi Google account, and I'll see you once inside. Now welcome back to the video. This is what's gonna be inside TAD AI. You're gonna have the song title option and the lyrics. So the first song title, think as anything that you want to think of. On mine right here, I'm gonna go for Nature Whisper, something like that. Now for the lyrics, if you have a pre-setted or pre-typed lyrics, just please paste it here. If you don't have, you can use a lot of AI there, one of which is ChatGPT. For my end, I'm gonna have this option AI Generate. If I click on this one, there is gonna be an option that's gonna ask me about your song. So for my song right here, I'm just gonna type in here heartfelt song about a loved one. Simply click on OK. So TAD AI will now generate a lyric based on my prompt. It's gonna be easy as that. Take note, everything here is totally for free. So we have these lyrics right here. I think this is good enough for me. And going to advanced features right there, we have the genre. We have also the mood as promised from earlier. So I'm just gonna generate auto first, and then later on, let's generate some genre and some mood, and then let's compare the two, alright? So I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to your video. We have these two samples right here. Now once I play this one, please pay attention on the lyrics on the left side. Let me just play the first one.
In the quiet of the night, when the stars are shining bright, I feel your warmth beside me, holding me tight.
Now that's perfect. You also have your lyrics on this side right here. Now let's listen on the second one.
In the quiet of the night, when the stars are shining bright, I feel your warmth beside me, holding me tight.
Right. Now those are awesome songs. We have your 3 dots right there where you can use the prompt, wherein you can regenerate this one if you're not satisfied with the results. Download options right here, share options right there. You can copy the link, share it to X or share it to Facebook. Of course, you have your mode right there wherein you can repeat this song, you can skip some of the verses, volume bars right here, and the download button and share buttons also right there. Speaking of the advanced features, I want to utilize the genre and the mood now. Since this is about a heartfelt song, I think the one for this one is I'm gonna go for R&B, and then, or rather jazz or about that. And for the mood, I think I'm gonna go for romantic. Click create, and I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. We have these 2 songs right here. Let's all listen to it.
In the quiet of the night, when the stars are shining bright, I feel your warmth beside me, holding me tight.
Perfect. Let's try the second one. Again, pay your attention on the lyrics on the left side or the one in here.
In the quiet of the night, when the stars are shining bright, I feel your warmth beside me, holding me tight.
Perfect, right? And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.